Hello friends, today we are going to learn the names of some beautiful birds in English. Are you ready? Let's fly. This is a sparrow, Gorilla. This is a parrot, Tota. This is a peacock, Moor. This is a crow, Kawa. This is a pigeon, Kabutar. This is a duck, Batak. This is an owl, Ullu. This is an eagle, Garud, Baj. This is a hen, Murgi. This is a cock, Murga. This is a kingfisher, Ramchiraya. This is a woodpecker, कठफोड़वा। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें स्टेप टू इंग्लिश विथ रीना चैनल को। और मिलते हैं एक नए लेसन के साथ। बाय बाय, थैंक यू।